Imagine getting back 10 hours of your week, every week, without hiring anyone, without burning out, and without changing your routine. Sounds impossible? Well, it's not. Because in 2025, AI tools can literally automate half your work. From writing emails to creating videos to managing your calendar. So if you've ever wished for more time, today's video is your blueprint. I'm revealing 10 powerful AI tools that will save you at least 10 hours every single week. And the best part? Most of them are completely free. AI isn't just for tech geniuses anymore. It's for everyone. Whether you're a student, freelancer, business owner, or content creator, there are now AI tools that handle the boring stuff so you can focus on what actually matters. But here's the truth. Most people still waste hours doing repetitive tasks because they don't know which tools to use or how to use them effectively. In this video, I'll walk you through 10 AI tools that can literally give you a full workday back, with real-world examples of how people are using them to save time and make their lives easier. Let's dive right in. 1. ChatGPT, your personal thinking partner. We're starting with the king of all AI tools, ChatGPT. Most people use it for writing emails or essays, but that's just scratching the surface. You can use ChatGPT to summarize long documents in seconds, write entire blog posts or video scripts, generate business ideas, and even create custom GPTs to handle specialized tasks. For example, instead of spending an hour brainstorming a video outline, just type your topic into ChatGPT and ask for a YouTube script structure. Boom! 60 minutes saved. This one tool alone can save you 2 to 3 hours a day depending on how you use it. 2. Notion AI, your smart productivity assistant. If your to-do list is messy and your notes are everywhere, meet Notion AI. It turns your productivity system into an intelligent assistant. You can tell it to summarize meeting notes, generate project timelines, write blog ideas based on your notes, or even create habit trackers automatically. Imagine spending 30 minutes every morning organizing your day. Notion AI does it for you in 2 minutes. That's another 2 to 3 hours saved per week, just by letting AI plan your work. 3. Descript, edit videos like a Word document. If you're a content creator or YouTuber, this one will blow your mind. Descript lets you edit videos by editing text. It automatically transcribes your video, and when you delete words from the text, it deletes them from the video. You can remove filler words like or in seconds, add captions automatically, and even clone your voice if you need to fix mistakes without re-recording. Traditional video editing might take 3 to 4 hours per project. With Descript, it can take less than 45 minutes. That's hours saved every single week, especially if you create content regularly. 4. Fireflies.ai, the AI meeting note-taker. Ever sit through a long Zoom meeting, then realize you remember nothing from it? Fireflies.ai solves that problem completely. It joins your meetings, Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams, records everything, and generates perfect summaries and action items. No more writing notes or trying to remember who said what. For team leaders, freelancers, or entrepreneurs, this can save 3 to 5 hours a week easily. And yes, it even tags key decisions and lets you search for specific phrases later. It's like having a personal assistant taking notes 24/7. 5. Midjourney, AI-powered image creation. Need thumbnails, social media posts, or website banners but don't have a designer? Say hello to Midjourney. It can create professional quality images just from a short text prompt. For example, create a futuristic workspace with neon lighting and a laptop on a glass desk. Within seconds, you've got a cinematic image that looks like it cost $500. Instead of spending hours searching for stock photos or paying for design work, you can generate exactly what you need instantly. That's 2 to 3 hours saved per design project, and it keeps getting better. 6. Opus Clip. Turn long videos into viral shorts. This one's perfect for YouTubers, podcasters, and marketers. Opus Clip uses AI to automatically cut your long videos into short, engaging clips, complete with captions, jump cuts, and highlighted key moments. Normally, it might take you 3 hours to manually find and edit the best 60 seconds from a 1-hour video. Opus Clip does it in 5 minutes. Creators using this tool are saving dozens of hours a month and growing their content across multiple platforms effortlessly. 7. Grammarly Go, smarter writing with AI. We all know Grammarly helps with spelling and grammar, but Grammarly Go takes it to a whole new level. It's an AI writing assistant built inside your browser. You can rewrite emails in different tones, generate replies instantly, summarize long threads, or draft full blog posts within seconds. It's like ChatGPT, but it integrates directly into your workflow. Gmail, Docs, LinkedIn, you name it. If you write emails daily, this can easily save 1 to 2 hours per day. 8. 11 Labs AI Voice Generation. This tool is a game changer for anyone making videos, audiobooks, or podcasts. 11 Labs can clone your voice or generate ultra-realistic AI voices in any tone or language. So instead of hiring a voice actor or recording dozens of takes, you can just type your script, and it'll produce a natural-sounding narration instantly. If you're a content creator or business owner producing regular audio content, that's 5 to 10 hours saved weekly. And yes, you can even create multilingual voiceovers with the same cloned voice. 9. Zapier, the ultimate workflow automator. Zapier isn't new, but it's now supercharged with AI. It connects your favorite apps like Gmail, Notion, Slack, YouTube, and even ChatGPT, and automates tasks between them. For example, when someone fills out your Google form, it automatically sends a welcome email, updates your Notion CRM, and pings you on Slack. Or when you upload a YouTube video, it automatically posts a captioned version on Instagram and TikTok. Each of these tiny automations saves minutes every time, which adds up to hours of productivity gained each week. You can literally build an AI-powered digital assistant that runs your business while you sleep. 10. Rewind AI, your digital memory. Imagine being able to search everything you've ever seen, said, or heard on your computer instantly. That's what Rewind AI does. It records your screen and audio locally, completely private, and lets you search your past conversations, meetings, websites, or notes. Forgot what a client said during a meeting last week? Type a keyword. Rewind finds the exact moment in seconds. No more wasted time digging through emails or files. You'll save hours every single week just by recalling information instantly. Bonus tool, Motion, your AI calendar manager. If you constantly reschedule tasks or struggle to stay organized, Motion will change your life. It uses AI to automatically plan your day based on priorities, deadlines, and your available time. If something changes, it reshuffles your schedule instantly. It's like having a 24/7 personal assistant managing your calendar. Most users report saving 5+ hours a week just from better time management and less stress. So there you have it. 10 AI tools that can easily save you 10 hours or more every week. Let's do a quick recap. ChatGPT, your ultimate idea and writing partner. Notion AI, your smart organizer and planner. Descript, edit videos by editing text. Fireflies.ai, your meeting memory assistant. Midjourney, create stunning visuals in seconds. Opus Clip, repurpose long videos into viral shorts. Grammarly Go, write faster and smarter. 11 Labs, AI voiceovers that sound human. Zapier, automate your digital life. Rewind AI, your searchable digital memory. Plus bonus, Motion, your AI calendar that plans your life automatically. The truth is, AI isn't just about doing things faster. It's about freeing up your time so you can focus on what really matters. Creativity, growth, and living life on your terms. And so here's a challenge. Pick just 2 tools from this list and start using them today. Track how much time they save you this week, and watch how quickly that extra time adds up. Because in this new AI-powered era, it's not about working harder, it's about working smarter.